Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, we're going to be looking at the new NZXT STND or STND. So let's unbox it and you'll actually see the full review of all of the NZXT new line of gear on the TechWizTime channel. So make sure you subscribe over there. So let's start getting the plastic off this to start with. So previously, NZXT had a puck, which was a magnetized headphone stand for the front of your case. And that was really cool. This one here is a freeform stand for the NZXT's newly released wired headset. So let's have a look and see what you get in the box. Like that. Throw that just there for the second. Okay, so looks like there's a protective cover on there, which is cool. Then you've got, it's actually a nice metal piece there. That's the actual stand itself. And then this one here, is that Velcro? I think there's Velcro under there. There is too, look at that. Wow. Velcro, huh. All right, so first things first, let's have a look here. We've got the NZXT support card there. So it's got all the information about how you can get support on this product. Let's throw that back in the box and throw that to the side for a second. So here's the stand base. So plastic obviously is this bit here, but these bits here are metal, which is great. It's got a couple little rubberized feet there, just to stop it from dragging or scratching on your desk or table. That's pretty cool. So let's, they've really gone to some lengths to protect this, which is great. So it's a piece of foam and cardboard there protecting that. And here we go. A little bit of a lip under there. More foam. I don't want to destroy anything. Ah, there we go. All right, so the foam and the cardboard is off. So it just says here, if mixer present, connect to 2.5mm input, else store into rear of base. So that's what that little sticker there says. So I'll take that off for the moment. And it says here for the second sticker, carefully apply even downward pressure until fully inserted. So I will do that. Now, one of the things with the Beardicus channel that I've got here is that it is a one-take video. So if I stuff up, I keep going. So don't expect high quality entertainment, but it'll still be quality. So we've just got to push down firmly, but carefully. Okay. That was enough pressure there to get that down. Awesome. So this little white NZXT tag here is movable. You can move it up or down, which is great. The 2.5mm jack there for the mixer, which I will be doing in another unboxing. You'll be able to see that on this channel here. I'll leave links to the headset unboxing, the mixer unboxing, and also this unboxing all together. So you will be able to find all these videos in one, including, I'll try and put them in the cards as well. But that is pretty much it. You'll also notice up here that with a little bit of pressure applied, that actually goes down, and that's got to do with when you put the headphones on here, sorry, the headset on here, and with the mixer connected, it will actually route your audio through your speakers instead of your headset. So pretty cool. Awesome. So if you want to see the full review, including the headset and the mixer unit, then make sure you subscribe to the TechWizTime channel. Otherwise, if you want to check out the unboxings, I'll have them on this channel, the Beardicus channel, where you can see the separate unboxings for all 3 products. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and share it with all your friends too, because yeah, no one knows about this channel yet, but I do plan on getting it to be a little bit bigger in the future. So yeah, thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you next time.